Hi, Miss Jaya May. Congratulations sa host na nakita mo. Your question is, paano mag-process ng visa at matagal ba? So, paano mag-process nun? Mag-apply lang kayo sa migrationsverket.se and then i-search nyo lang yung au pair. So, good luck na lang sa application mo. If you have more questions, sige, mag-comment ka lang. I will try to reply, okay? Yun lang. I'm not used to this, guys. Oh my God, naman. So, I have a lot of time today to answer your questions here. Magkano daw sa pesos ang allowance ng au pair? So, I think just last year lang, nag-change na yung allowance. Before, during my time, it was only 3,500. But this time, it's 5,250 crowns. Swedish kronor. So, that's in pesos, 27,300. O, diba? Pwede na rin. Libre ka na food, libre ka na bahay, and ano pa ba? Libre na gala. Ay, hindi pala. Bus card. Depende din yun sa host. Yun lang. I hope nasagot ko yung question mo. Bye! Hi, House of Theo. To answer mo yung... Kaya nga, ilalagay ko. Sasagutin ko pa ba? Wait lang ha. Meron kasi akong advisor dito. So, to answer your question, according to the requirements of being an au pair, hindi naman nakaspecify doon na married or single. You must be 18 to 30 years old once the decision is made. So, I don't think. And if wala namang interview din ng au pair, so, if ever man, huwag nyo na sabihin, di ba? So, and also, may mga friends din ako dito na may mga anak din sila. And they got it. So, yun lang. Give it a try. Thank you for the comment and I hope it helps. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, Maria Lotti. With you asking help kung paano maghanap ng family or host, I suggest gawa ka ng profile doon sa aupair.se and then wait for the agency to contact you for a suggestion na mga host family na pwede na ibigay sa inyo. Kasi for me, ang hirap kasi mag-recommend, diba? And then, hindi ko naman kilala personally ang mga host. And for now, wala pa din akong kilala na naghahanap ng au pair. So, wala talaga akong may recommend in short. But most of the time, like sa host family ko and most of my friends' host families, sila talaga nang shoulder ng gastusin, pamasahin yung papunta sa Sweden, back and forth yan. Tapos, ano pa ba? And with the visa, I was the one who shouldered the visa fee. That's all. Thank you.